Welcome to Buzzer Trader. Welcome to Buzzer Trader. In few steps, let me show you how to actually add the volatility 75 index. Any instrument that you are looking for, let me assist you and be able to add it here. How can you get this? It's simple. You need to register with Deriv first, right? And registering with Deriv, you need to also actually first use Chrome, okay, browser. And don't use any other browser out there. Okay, there will be a link in the description below to direct you to use it and register an account. So click on it so that you can be able to register well. So now I'm gonna open it and we're gonna click on create demo. Here we're not creating demo, we're creating profile. Okay, that statement of create demo, it's a statement of creating profile, right? I believe it will fix very soon. And here, for us to create an account, very simple, in just a few seconds, we need to sign up with Google. And if you're someone who wants to go this process of adding an email, then you can, but it's okay. Either way, whatever that you choose, you can go for it. Then we can go to sign up with Google, okay? And if you are using an Apple, you can sign up with Apple, it's okay. And don't go for Facebook. I don't recommend it. I recommend for Google and Apple. So we're going to tap on sign up with Google, and then we're going to select our account. In a few seconds, we'll be having the account. And then now we're going to choose our account, which is our email address that is working, and we're able to receive email address, right? Okay. And then now we have signed up with Google. We already have the account with Deriv. Simple like that. Simple in a few seconds. All right. Let's wait for it to load and finish loading. All right. Then once you have registered here like this, if you're having any issue, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're like this, like me, you can reload, okay? You can reload or you can cancel the page and come back. But now I'm just gonna reload, all right? And then wait for it to give me, you see now, it's like this. So I'm gonna go to login and say login and login with Google. Yeah, login with Google. And we're gonna go to this account over here, all right? So if you're experiencing this very same problem here, just do like this and you'll be able to see your account, right? So now I have this profile demo account. And then what we're going to do, if right now you landed in this page, because there are some who are landed in this page, let me log in again, because there's this other page that I want to show you that maybe you actually landed on, okay, like this. I want to show you what you need to do, right? Because maybe you might not get the same logins like me, like we go to Traders Hub like that, you know. So we're gonna go to this part over here. On this part over here, it's like this. We're having a low internet connection, so we're gonna just reload again. It's very same thing, okay? Reload. So in a few simple steps, we'll be having the account. So we're gonna tap here, and then we can see here this is our wallet demo account. We want a real account so that we can be able to trade the volatility and other instrument. Okay, so we're gonna go to non-EU. Non-EU simple means that you're not in a country. Let me say another country. Let me say just you are not in EU. You know EU is outside of Europe. So yeah, but if you're there, then it's okay. You can go for this one, but the leverage will be limited. But if you are in Europe or somewhere there, you can still take this account of non-EU. So you're gonna click here, but by law you are required to just be under that account with Deriv, or else your account might be limited and everything like that. So right now we're gonna choose the flat currencies, fiat currencies. Okay, so here you're choosing the wallet. Okay, now we have the profile, we have everything in Deriv registered. Now we're gonna select USD. You can choose, but I prefer USD. But if you're someone who prefers the cryptocurrencies, you can go for it. And then we're gonna click next. Okay, and then under next, we have these personal details that we need to add. I'll say national ID. We have these two options here. I want to do this later, but let's just register now so that we don't have any issue. All right, so we're gonna add our details here and say 01 06 10 585 4908 09 like that. This is a demo details, not my real details. Okay, so we're gonna go for first name. If you have first name, it's not last name. If you have two names, you can add them here so that you can be able to register an account. So I'll say tutorial. Okay, and then last name, I'll go for Boza. This you can add surname, please. You can add surname here. All right. And then date of birth, you need to select date of birth. You're going to tap here on the year here. Let's tap again. Yes, on the year there. And then you're going to tap on 2001. You know your date, and then you're going to go set. And then you are confirmed. Yes, I confirm my details are well. And then we're going to come here and add our number or phone number. This is the number. Don't call this number, please. And thinking that is my number, please. You will get someone else who is not even me. So we're going to choose our country of residence, which is South Africa. And let's see on the S. We're living on the S. Yes, okay. And then now we can take text resident. We say South Africa. It's not like they're going to text you or anything like that. All right. All right, and then we're gonna go to text identification number. You can either add 1 or add 0 or leave it blank like that. And then account reason for opening, you can choose income earning, hedging, you can choose any. It's just an assessment, okay? And then you're gonna click next. And then the address there, you're gonna add address. So I'm just gonna add some alphabet here. I'm just gonna add anything just to make it simple. City, I'm just gonna add state or province and say Limpopo, and then zip code. I'll just add numbers and then say next. It's so that you can be able to get the information right. And then here you're gonna tick, okay, tick like this, tick like that, and then you're gonna click add. All right, now the account, the wallet account is ready. You don't want to deposit now, you will say maybe later. All right. And now we are not done yet. Okay. Now you have the wallet account, which is the real account. Okay. And then you're going to tap here on this icon over here. Tap, tap. What's happening? Tap. Doesn't want to tap anyway. Let me tap by force. Hey. Tap. Yeah. It tapped. Okay. What do we want to do? We're going to go to Traders Hub. Okay. And then on Traders Hub, we're going to go for CFDs. Okay, we're gonna go for save this, and under save this, don't mind this, please, because we're using demo accounts, so Deriv, they are so smart to verify your information. So we're gonna go press on get. This is my tutorial for you to see what you need to do. You're gonna tap here, like tap, understand? And then once you tapped, you'll see that it's tapped like this. Okay, that's the first option. Okay, all right, let me explain some few things here. This is a regulating body, which is regulating Deriv. So you will be under this and you choose which one, but either way you can choose any. It's fine with choosing. Okay, and then you're gonna scroll, and then you're gonna click next. You can select any here. Okay, you don't have any limit. And then here, let's add the password. So password, it needs to be correct. You need to put some characters, and also you need to put some numbers and put some capital letters just to make the password strong. And then I'm gonna copy this password. This password is the password that you're gonna use on your MT5. Okay, once you have the MT5. So I'm gonna just say create. All right, make sure that the password, you will remember it, and then you say maybe later. Okay, and now you have the account. This is the account. If you landed on that page again of traders of not Traders Hub, that other page that I mentioned earlier on, you're gonna come back to Traders Hub again, okay, just to get this option of CFDs here, and then you're gonna go to open. Under open, you see the account number here, which is the login, and please keep in mind the Deriv server here. The Deriv server here is very important because you'll have some issue with logging in. Okay, when you're searching it on the MT5, you want to make sure that the login it's under Deriv Holdings, and then the server is Deriv server 02, and the account number and the password that we copied. and then we're going to close this option here. Then you will have to deposit money. Depositing money, it's simple. Let me just do like this. And then go to cashier, deposit money. Okay, deposit money. Okay, so you're gonna go with the first option over here, and it will be different to different countries. So we in South Africa, so you can choose which option here. There are many options to use to deposit. Right, once you're done with deposit, you're gonna come to here. Once your deposit is successful, you're gonna come here, cashier, and then come to transfer, so that you can transfer your funds to your MT5 account. Okay, now let's go and link this account. Since now we have the password, let's copy the details of the account here. We want the account logins, and then we're gonna go to MT5. MT5, come this way, come to manage, come to this plus icon over here, and then we're gonna search Deriv. Okay, we're gonna search Deriv Holdings. So once you search Deriv Holdings here, you will see it here. All right, and then you're gonna press here. First, let's paste our password, and then we're gonna go to paste our logins there. So let's go to Deriv again to copy the account, and then come back to paste it here, and then say login. Okay, we see authorization fail. We selected the wrong server. We change the server. We paste here, and we need our password. Remember, we forgot our password, so we need to change our password. So it's gonna be a bit of time. It's gonna take some bit of time. Yes. So let's go to your email address, change the password. So this is important to do, so that you can be able to help with changing the password, also making sure that you remember the password, you know. So if you had this issue, please feel free. Right, so here let's change the password again. Seems like our email didn't work. We've sent an email. Let's check the email that they've sent us. Let's come here, go like this, go back. Yes, a password request. Here's the email address that we're supposed to use, and we're gonna scroll down like this. So it's better that we had some issues when registering, so that you can be able to register better. Okay, all right. So now let's change the password and go and log in. After that, we'll be able to see the volatility 75 and other instrument, so that you can be able to edit them. Okay, here's an option. We're gonna add the password like this, and then we're gonna do like this, add some characters, some numbers, some, yeah, just like that. And then we're gonna copy the password and then create. Now we're done. We're gonna go to MT5, paste our password, and log in. There we go. And then now we're gonna press on the codes. Now you can be able to see the volatility 75. Should we want to add 100 or anything, we're gonna come here. This is what we can add. Boom and crash and everything. So you can use the link on the description below to get the volatility 75. Simple as like that. And then you can be able to trade it with any issue. And also, you must deposit so that this part can be activated. You cannot use the real account without you depositing. So you must deposit on Deriv using the options there. So be pleased, subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others, and love you all, guys. So stay tuned and subscribe. So should you have any issue with trading with Deriv, should let me know in the comment section below.